Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my house if you are new or just stumbling across my video. And if for all of you guys that have already subscribed to my channel and are part of my family, you know that I cannot speak and I stumble across my words all the time. But anyway, today, so I've been wanting to play around with this palette for some time because I got it a while ago, and it is the the E.L.F. and Jkissa To the Rescue palette. So when I first got it, it was just a blank white canvas, and these stickers came along with it in a separate sheet, and you're able to just decorate it however you want. So let me tell you real quick about how I decorated it. I have a few names on here from past pets that I had. It makes me so sad, but they still hold a special place in my heart. So first one up is Luna. She is a cat that I had many years ago. Same with Blaze. Oh, I miss him so much. Oh, not Blaze, that's Sophie. Sophie is a pup that belongs to my mom. And then we have Blaze over here. He is a cat also that I had many years ago and I miss him. We have Xoxo here. That is my brother's dog. And Milo, the cutest little pup, that new addition to our family, and his mom is actually Coco. So that's how I wanted to decorate it. So I really love this idea. Super creative. Another great concept with this collab is that they partnered with Angel City Pits, which is an adoption in LA, a rescue, where they will go ahead and donate $1 for each, I guess, if you post a picture with the hashtag eyes, lips, face, and paws, or not paw and paws, but eyes, lips, face, paws, and they will donate $1 to the rescue. And don't forget, guys, adopt, don't shop. Very important. So aside from the palette, let me just show you guys real quick how it looks like. Aren't these absolutely beautiful? And this just, if you guys are not familiar with Jkissa, when I think of her, I just think rainbow. Bright, bold, beautiful colors, and she's just so amazing when it comes to vivid colors like this. And she herself said that she wanted to create her own rainbow palette, and I think this is just perfection right here. So aside from the palette, we have the brush set. This is the Forever brush set, and also a dual-sided like eyeshadow topper. So here's this beautiful like iridescent green. Now I'm not one to wear greens or anything, but when I saw this, I was like, wow, that is gorgeous. So that's the green, and this color is called I'm Pupset, although on the end it says Pretty Smile, so I'm not sure which is which. And then here's like a clear topper as well. Look at that. Wow, I'm so excited to try these on. Alright guys, so I've already prepped my or primed my lids with the Urban Decay primer potion, because I want to start off with the eyes today, since this is my first time actually digging into this palette. I don't know if it has much fallout. I mean, I'm pretty sure it does, but you know, I'd rather do the eyes first. So let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. This is the J3 from the collection, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig. I don't even know what I'm saying. I have officially forgotten how to talk and how to make a video. So going into Millie in here, it's this one right here, and then all the names in here are named after pups that came from that were adopted. Okay, so right off the back, like, it's very pigmented. I really like the way it's blending. It's very easy to work with, whether you are a beginner or a pro. And then E.L.F is just very well known for affordable products that are very easy to work with from beginner to pro. I really love their products. Alright, so I'm going to be dipping into Yosemite right here, and right here in the inner corner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into cannoli, this beautiful blue in here, and taking the brush from the collection. This is J1. This is more like a all over shadow brush. Alright, so on the outer corner, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Thatcher right here, and then just deepen the outer corner. I'm just going to flip it around. Okay, so far so good. These colors are packing a punch. They're very pigmented, they're very easy to work with, very opaque. I really love the texture, and the mattes are absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff this out, just blend out the edges right here. And so far so good. Now dipping into Firefly, and I'm just gonna add that to the inner corner right where I laid down the yellow, which is Yosemite, and then I'm gonna do the same with Bailey, but on the blue. Love, love, love. Now, let's see how we can incorporate this topper, this green right here. I think I have an idea. Right. So, taking a different brush, I'm just going to tap this on the topper, on the wand. So I don't want to just go directly and flip it on my eye. And I'm just going to add this in the inner corner. Let's see how that works. Let me just cover this up before I drop it and it gets all over the place, because Lord knows I am clumsy and very good at that. All right. I'm gonna go into Thayer, and then with Sadie. So with the J6 brush, it's like a flat brush like this. Oh, like I said. Ugh. Always dropping stuff. Alright guys, so the lashes are very voluminous today and they're already like bam out there, so I didn't add any eyeliner, so went straight with the lashes. These are actually new. They're from IMV, and it's their 3D collection in Crush. Like I said, they're very voluminous and very 3D like, so I like them. I found this eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Pencil in Binge. So I'm going to use this one since, you know, it's add a little color instead of just going with plain black or like a nude shade in the waterline. Alright, so there you have it guys. This is the entire look using the E.L.F. and Jkissa to the Rescue palette. I really like it so far. I definitely want to create more looks with it, but I'm very, very excited with what I saw and what I experienced today with this look. I really like it. Hello summertime. And I also want to let you guys know, I think this collection is still available on Ulta. I think it might still be in stores and Ulta.com. I checked recently the E.L.F. website. They only had the dual-ended topper, this one on there. The brushes and the palette was sold out already. But if you guys were able to get your hands on this one, let me know what you guys think, if you guys tried it out, or if you plan on getting it. Oh, fun fact also, after I heard about this collection and, you know, the cause behind it and everything, my husband and I actually want to adopt now. We currently don't have any pets, mainly because we don't have room, but we are thinking about moving and possibly adopting a pit bull, and I can't wait. I am super excited. But I do want to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you liked this look, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, and God bless.